What's good, y'all? My name is Raven Trammell. I'm a photojournalist originally from Holland, Michigan, but currently based in Los Angeles, California. I've been minting my work since February 2021, and I've learned quite a bit on this journey, so I'm here to share some of those things with you. This video tutorial is on helping to get your Metamask wallet set up. Before continuing, be sure to be using either Google Chrome or Brave browser. Those are the two most common browsers to download your Metamask wallet to. This wallet is where you'll send your cryptocurrency from apps like COINBASE. There are other wallets, but Metamask is most commonly used, and you need a Metamask wallet to both mint and collect NFTs on different Ethereum marketplaces. Alright, step 1. First, open either Google Chrome or Brave browser. Then go to www.metamask.io. I would recommend bookmarking this address for future access rather than doing Google searches every time. Scammers sometimes pay for ads to have their fake MetaMask sites show up first, which could compromise your crypto wallet and your crypto security. Step 2, you'll want to click Add to Chrome and Add Extension. This will download the Metamask extension to your browser. Step 3, now that Metamask is downloaded, click Get Started and create a wallet. Read through the info on the next screen and click I agree. Create a strong password and check the box and click Create. Step 4, here you will need a pen and paper to write down your secret backup phrase, also known as a seed phrase. This step is extremely important. This 12-word secret phrase makes it easy to restore your wallet if you were to lose your password. Think of your secret phrase, aka seed phrase, as a key to your bank account. Never share this with anybody and keep it offline, hence the pen and paper. When you're ready, click to reveal the secret phrase and write each word down, storing the phrase in a safe place afterwards. Alright, step 5. Finally, you'll want to add ETH to your brand new Metamask wallet. This will be easiest on your computer.
Fair warning, there are fees. These fees are called gas fees and are what's charged to make the transaction. Okay, first thing, you're going to want to go to your Metamask wallet. You're going to want to click this up here to copy that address to your clipboard. Go back to COINBASE, click on Send and Receive, paste the address of your Metamask wallet here to send. Like I mentioned before, there is a fee, so be aware of that. I'm only going to send $50 just for the example. And note that it does take about 10 minutes for the transaction to go through, so just be aware of that.
Hey, congratulations, your Metamask wallet is now set up and is ready to start collecting artwork. Check out the 50mm Collective to discover new art to start collecting. If this video was helpful, please be sure to like, subscribe, and send it to a friend, you know what I'm saying? Get them in the mix, put them on to something new. Alright, catch y'all later.